Hello, it's Linda here from Homely Lass, and I'm going to show you how to make multicolour pom-pom baubles. So here's a few I've made earlier. So these three are done with two colours. So this one's olive and natural, this one's steel blue and navy, and this one is grey and natural. And then this one is done with three colours. So in this one I've used, actually, it's four colours. I've used cumin, mushroom, oatmeal, and rhubarb. And so in this video, we're going to use three colours, and we'll see what that comes out like. So I'm using our Pom-Pom Bauble kit. So from that, we're using the little bundles of Homely Bliss yarn, the pom-pom maker, and the instructions. So it's instructions inside with a link to the online class, which has got video tutorials and more detailed instructions in it. I'm also using some Homely Bliss yarn. This is a 100-gram mini skein. I've got a pair of scissors here for trimming. I've got from the bauble kit, I've got a tie, which we'll use later to tie the pom-pom up. And I've also got a bowl to use for trimming as well. But for now, we'll make our pom-pom first and then we'll trim. Here's my yarn, and I've pulled it into bits already. I've pre-prepared it. I've done that by opening these little bundles out and separating it into three and just pulling that apart like that. Okay, and that's what it comes out like. So, this is fun. This is fun. So just however many colours you're using, just hold them together. And we're just going to wrap them around the pom-pom maker together. And that's how it becomes kind of speckledy. So grab your pom-pom maker and open out two arms together. And grab your yarn, hold it together, and we're just going to wrap it nice and tight around each arm. Around both arms together, sorry. So twist it around and just keep going until it's nice and full in the center. How's that looking? I'm going to pull that back a bit, push that one there. Get that there. I'm going to close that up, and there's still a little bit of gap here. I'm going to see if I can get another few bits wrapped around there, because a full pom-pom is a good pom-pom. That's better. Okay, so close your pom-pom up and then just trim these bits off. Okay, and now we're going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So open both arms out together, grab your yarn, and wrap nice and tightly around. And do the same as what you did on the other side. Push that down, that's nice and full, and trim these bits off. And put them to the side for later. Okay, so now what we're going to do is cut around the edge of the pom-pom and tie the tie onto it. So starting from the hinge side, get your scissors and run along the V that's between both arms. Like that. And do the same thing on the other side. There we go. Don't open it out yet. You probably won't make it out yet because all these little bits will fall apart. But get your tie and slide that down in between the arms and go around both sides. Like that. So you slip it in between the pom-pom maker arms. Put the two ends together and even that out. Okay. Encourage these to go closer together. And do a knot on one side, on the first side. And then turn it over. And do a double knot on this side. Okay, so now open each arm out carefully. Same thing on the other side. pull the two sides out. So go grab the grey bits and pull them out, bloop, and then pop them back together. Put your arms back together, ready to make another pom-pom later. Now we're ready to trim your pom-pom. This is exciting. So it is going to end up looking nice and even like that one. So grab your bowl for trimming into so you don't cover your house in fluff, and your scissors. And grab onto the tie. We don't want to trim the tie while we're going. But if you ever do, if you can, just open up your pom-pom like that and thread another tie around it. Okay, so this stage is all about fluffing and trimming. Lots and lots of little trims and lots of fluffing. So first we're going to attack these long bits and just trim them off so they're the same length as the rest of the pom-pom. So lots of little trims. Fluff it out. And then just keep trimming and fluffing like that. And the massaging or the fluffing just kind of opens the little bits of yarn out and straightens them out as well, so you can trim them off to a right size. And then if you get your scissors in, it helps open out the yarn as well. So pretty. And then just keep rotating your pom-pom. And lots of little trims. And keep going and keep doing that until you're really happy with how it looks. And I will generally do this over a couple of sittings. I'll do a bit, trim a couple of pom-poms, then go away, do something else, come back and trim a few more pom-poms. I just love how meditative and mindful it is. So you've just got to focus on exactly what's in front of you. And then just keep doing that. Keep trimming and trimming until you're happy with how your pom-pom looks. And then I'll show you how to tie it. I won't make you watch hours and hours of trimming or lots of trimming. When you're ready to do your tie, hold it out straight. Do a knot in the end. So knot the two pieces together. Hold them out together so you get a nice even tie, and then trim it off just on the other side of the knot. So there you go. I hope you love making your pom-poms, and share your photos with me on Instagram by tagging @HomelyLass.